हम किसी धर्म विशेष को प्रायोजित नहीं करते हैं। हम एक समावेशी और अतुलनीय भारत बनाने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध हैं।
यूं तो सेर्गेई और एंटोन रूसी हैं, पर उन्हें दोस्त बनाया कृष्ण भक्ति ने। 2012 में मॉस्को स्थित ब्रह्मचार्य आश्रम में ये दो युवा कृष्ण के ऐसे उपासक बने कि फिर उन्हें यह प्रेम भारत खींच लाया। इन दिनों नई दिल्ली के कैनॉट प्लेस इलाके में वे इस तरह कीर्तन करते हैं। हिंदी जिस तरह हमारे लिए समझना और बोलना आसान है, ठीक ऐसे ही सेर्गेई और एंटोन रूसी में बात करते हैं। रोचक बात यह है कि एंटोन, जिन्हें हिंदी और अंग्रेज़ी बिल्कुल नहीं आती, वे भजन गाते हैं। सेर्गेई और हमारी बातचीत के दौरान भाषा ज्ञान एक बाधा तो थी, पर भाव और संगीत कभी भाषा के मोहताज नहीं होते।
My name is Seryoga. His name is Anton.
Your name is
Seryoga.
Seryoga.
Russian name, yeah.
And his name?
Anton.
Anton.
So we come here to play music,
Huh.
to sing Hare Krishna, because music is what we like to do, and so we are.
But what was the need to come India to play music? Russian also like music, and music is known and loved worldwide. What was the need to come India for the music?
Two reasons. First of all, Russia now cold. The second, we love India, and
You love India.
we can play here.
Your time.
Yes, last time I stayed for 3 months,
Okay.
and this time I'm gonna to stay 6 months.
Kind of affection you felt from God Krishna, and how did you you join that ISKCON temple and all?
Развить чувство любви.
I'm trying to develop my love to God.
Acha, okay. You joined to develop the love to God, your love to God.
We are trying to serve Krishna. Krishna is God. He said to all people, please chant my names, and we try to chant
Okay, you
names.
believe that he chose two of you.
And
You believe that he chose two of you to chant his name.
he chose everyone in Kali Yuga.
Wow, that's fantastic. But the very question which comes in every youth and young people's mind, that from where you got that such kind of inspiration.
First of all, from spiritual service and from spiritual master.
Еще от людей, которые испытывают радость, которым я могу доставлять радость.
Also from people who I serve. I serve people, and from they feel happy, and from them I also
Feel
get happy.
That's
Okay.
what kind of message you want to convey to all the people, not of India, but also of Russians.
Какое послание вы видите? So we wish to all people to как же, боже мой, посвятить по-английски? To
Отдать.
give your life to spiritual service. Oh, yeah. And as Srila Prabhupada said, just chant Hare Krishna and be happy.
Okay.
No
But,
problem in
but-
life. No problem in life.
but-
Just 4 principles.
Huh.
16 rounds of japa, Mahamantra, association with devotees, Sunday programs, read books Prabhupada, and Sankirtan,
And back to Godhead.
and back to God. Some people said, yesterday one person said, why you leave your country in your country you can make sense gratification, you know. You can enjoy your life. Why you live? He asked like that. Why you leave your country? Why you don't enjoy your life in your life? I said I enjoy in my life, but in spiritual service. In you know, three gunas only: Tamaguna, Rajaguna, Satvaguna. Most people think that enjoying means Tamagun plus Rajagun, but no, Sattvagun is the best. It's the mercy of all.
Единственная наша заслуга это то, что мы немножко позитивно отнеслись, то есть мы не отвергли Шрилу Прабхупаду, мы позитивно.
Yes, the only thing that we make by ourselves, it's we made a choice. Our
You
choice
made
in
it
life.
by choice.
Yes.
But let's talk about your, your family, your family's aspirations related to you. What kind of feeling they have now and before?
Расскажите о своей семье.
Не все так просто.
So our his relationships with parents are not so simple.
Женишься?
When my father said me, why you don't get married?
Я сказал, ну вот я
I
смотрю,
answered.
я смотрю на тех,
So
кто...
I
Я смотрю вот на тебя, говорю.
look at you, your
И-
example
и
of
вижу,
life,
что ты не очень
and I
счастлив.
see that you're not so happy.
Да,
Окей.
я говорю, ты уверен, что я буду счастлив?
So are you sure that I would be happy?
Но он сказал мне, нет, тебе
answered-
не надо жениться.
Oh no, don't get married.
But-
So what about
Yeah.
me? My
Yeah.
relationship with parents are good. We have relationships by distance, yes, because I travel a lot, and only maybe half of a year or less I stay in Moscow.
Okay, you're home.
Yes.
Okay.
So and we have good relationships. We talk.
Now let's talk about the democracy and what is the difference of Putin's government.
Сейчас опасный вопрос, за который нас в России могут пропустить потом. So I said to him, now it is very a strange question. Because of this question, we cannot go to Russia. Okay. He said that we don't practice policy. Yes, and what about me?
Okay, now
I
let's.
think nothing
Yeah.
about it because I play music.
Ah.
So in other country, some people think that I'm Hindu, white skin Hindu. Because of that, Vladimir Putin, nice. He's better than Stalin, I think. He's so polite. He's so.
Okay, let's come to the India and let's India. What kind of hardship you face? Actually,
Hardship?
hardship. What kind of problems? What kind of difficulties, if any, and
Now?
what kind of challenge in India
You're
when?
joking?
No,
Are you
no.
joking?
No, no, I'm not
So
joking.
India-
I'm not joking.
So it's better.
I just want
it's
to
better
know.
you ask what problems you have in Russia because a lot of in India, if compare with Russia, no.
And that is why you are here.
So,
And that is why you are
no,
here.
it is easier to live spiritual life here. It is much easier. Moscow.
Here in India, people are, here in India, people are transforming towards atheism.
Atheism in
Huh.
India.
Yeah. In India, yes.
Who is atheist? Are you atheist?
I am the atheist.
Huh?
I am the atheist.
Really?
Yeah. So when
It's strange to talk with you.
tell me one thing, what is the difference between being a religious person and being a spiritual person?
О, вот сейчас я отвечу этот вопрос. Различия в жизни атеиста и духовного человека. Чем их жизнь отличается?
Чем жизнь
Да.
отличается? Я думаю, что она отличается целью жизни.
So
What?
the first thing, main thing, is goal of life.
Is goal of life.
Yeah.
Okay, and what goal you have in your life?
Какая цель у вас?
Она полностью отличается жизнь атеиста от жизни.
Он спрашивает, какая у вас цель?
Моя цель, я уже сказал, развить любовь к Богу.
His goal is to develop his love to God.
Okay.
So I have I also have an answer on this question. First of all, you become happy because happiness is coming from God. If I try to get happiness from someone else, from you, for example, I will my behavior was mad. So
Right.
I will try. I will try to get your association, and you will say, "Oh, please go away! No, don't disturb me." But if I serve to God, God gives me good feelings, and I just trying to serve Him. I not try to get any good karma.
Wonderful.
No, it is passive thing.
हर साल करीब 3500 सैलानी रूस से गोवा आते हैं क्योंकि गोवा उनके लिए मिनी मॉस्को है। पर मॉस्को के दो युवा एंटोन और सेर्गे करीब 5000 किलोमीटर दूर दिल्ली में हैं क्योंकि दिल्ली उनके लिए उनके सपनों की दुनिया है। आपके सपनों की दुनिया कहाँ है? ढूंढिए, क्योंकि उन्हें पूरा ना कर पाने की कोई वजह नहीं।